Hi, this is an unboxing video of the Husqvarna PW480 pressure washer. Got this from Sam Turner and Sons online. They were really nice to deal with, and this is an unboxing video. So it's just come by a DPD, our friendly driver Brett. And first of all, the box is really nice, very well packaged. So there's the handbook. Always read your handbook. There is a box of gubbins. Looks like some sort of. I think these are the jets, and actually they feel nice and heavy, nice quality. So there's another package with looks like a handle. It's really nicely packaged. It's pretty darn heavy. Oh, there's the one of the lance part, which it just feels like really good quality, which is nice. There's the other piece of the lance. Yeah, nicely got a nice feel to it. Bring it out if I can. It's really heavy. We'll come out like that. So we'll try this. It's very heavy, so just be careful. Thanks to my wife for letting me do this in the house, because luckily she doesn't know. Right, so like Christmas. Alright, so let me just turn it around, because one thing I didn't know it had, and you can see it already, it's got a built-in tank for detergent. That's good that it's got that. As with all Husqvarna things, straight away you can tell it's a quality piece of kit. There's a bit of water in there, a bit. There. That's the unit. I'm going to put it all together, but this is just a video on how it comes, and it's very well packaged. It's really nice. I know it has an on-off wheel here. This is the pressure control, which is really important, and it's I think it's 1885 psi. It's got a brass pump. It's got a special motor, induction motor. So I'll do another video when it's all fired up. But there you go, that's the Husqvarna PW480 from Sam Turner and Sons. And yeah, there you go. Thank you very much.